It's another great day at Autos of Dallas. John Hernandez, 214-723-4366. Today we're featuring a 2017 Maserati Levante SUV. Pearl white with saddle leather interior. 214-723-4366. You don't see these out in the hood anywhere pretty much. It's one owner, clean Carfax, 3.0 liters, 6-cylinder, all-wheel drive, 345 horsepower, 10,000 miles, 63,990 is the price. Daytime running lights, fog lamps, navigation, backup camera, heated seats, blind side monitors, HID headlights, auto leveling headlights, CD player, MP3 player compatible, 8-speaker premium sound system, fog lamps, everything you're looking for in a luxury pre-owned vehicle. Autos of Dallas, 4472 West Plano Parkway, Plano, Texas. Let's take a look-see inside. $10,081 miles for your actual miles. Let me get this to. There we go. Leather wrap steering wheel. Look at that stitching. We have a huge audio monitor here. We have different modes. Sunroof. You have your leather ceiling. If you're in the market for a hair turner, if you've reached that point in your life where you've reached the pinnacle of your career, or you're still reaching, this car's for you. We deliver all over the United States. We'll take your trade. Let's see what your passengers would feel like. Nice. Even the back seats hug you. You have your individual vents here. There we go. Your charger. Little cozies. Awesome. Look at that air vent right there. 214-723-4366, John Hernandez. We want to earn your business with the best prices on the internet. Over 1,100 cars. We sell over 600 cars a month. Give us an opportunity to earn your business. Autos of Dallas. John Hernandez, 214-723-4366. Come and visit us. You won't be sorry. Like I mentioned, we deliver all over the United States. This vehicle will not last long. I have to pry it away from one of my sales associates. Let me here we are. Nice. This won't last long. These vents open for air. This is it's a mechanical beauty. You deserve this vehicle. Be nice to yourself or your sweetheart. Is it your anniversary? We got the best surprise right here. Give me a call, 214-723-4366. We'll wrap it up and send it to you. Take care. Have a great day. Good luck. Bye-bye.